Okay, my name is Joe Bustillos. I am the course director for EDM 613 Media Asset Creation. It's a short video talking about using Blogger for your class blog. And so we have my faux EDM 613 blog here, and I'm going to go ahead and start a new post. And for the most part, when most of you guys are doing this, because we want to make sure in our title that we note which week we're working with here. So let's do extra post. So an appropriate title. You'll probably want to put something a bit more specific in there. So in Blogger, you have two ways of entering information. You can enter it in as HTML, or you can use what they're calling compose, which treats your text very much like any particular kind of WYSIWYG editor, just like Word or anything like that. And so I have entered in some Latinesque text in here. And as I have mentioned before, one of the things that we really want to encourage is for you to make sure that when you're doing a blog entry, that it's not just text. And so there are generally, for images and for videos, there are two ways of entering text in. You have these little text buttons in here. And so let's go ahead and I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to add an image. And so basically it brings you to a place where you can either enter an image that you have stored on your computer, or if you happen to know the URL of an image that's already on the internet, then it'll allow you to do it that way. And so let's go ahead and browse an image in here and grab something quickly. Here we go. Images. So that's too complicated. Here we go. So let's add this image. So I basically selected the image that I have stored on my computer, and then it's going to ask me where I want to place it. I'm going to go ahead and place it right. Let's go medium, and then upload the image. Okay. It's as simple as that. So there's a little bit of a preview of what the image might look like. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that image. And let's add an image, and this time let's something from that already is stored on the internet. So I have this image here already stored on the internet. I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL, and then go back into Blogger, and I'm going to add an image. And then this time, instead of browsing on my computer, I'm just going to go ahead and add the URL. One on the right side, medium again, upload the image. And there we go. So we got the image added to our blog post. So that's a good deal right there. The other thing that you can add or may want to add is video. Now, again, you can add video. Let's see here. Going about adding video this way is it's going to go ahead and browse again for video that's already saved on my computer. So let's go ahead and take this video and open, and then give it a title. Comments video. Boom, boom, boom. And there you go. It's added it, and you can see down here that it's right now it is uploading the video. And it'll take a little bit of time for that to actually show up. So let's go ahead and cancel that. So another way to do this sort of stuff is to do it via HTML. So let's say I want to upload a video that's already up on the internet. So I need to make sure, in this case, that I'm in HTML edit mode. And I'm going to go over to YouTube and grab this video, grab the embed code, and then, oopsie, go back to my blog post and insert the video. Now this time I'm going to go ahead and, so that we can see it, I'm going to go ahead and publish the post. And now I can go ahead and view the post. And there we go. We've got the blog post with the video embed. Okay, one additional feature that you have available to you using Blogger is that you can use labels, which makes it a little bit easier to organize your blog posts. So for example, what I would like to really encourage is that when you are posting, because it tends to be if you look through a Blogger blog, it's just blog after blog after blog after blog. And sometimes things get out of order. And one way to organize things is to use labels. So I just went ahead and put a label in there, and I could actually do another label called extra post or fourth post, and then go ahead and publish it, view it. And then you see down here these labels. And one way that labels are kind of cool is that they do help organize how your blog is put together. So I just went ahead and clicked on the week 4 label, and it should do something. There we go. So now what's going on is all the blog posts for week 4 are listed here. So there's all the blog posts for week 4. So it makes it a little bit easier, especially when things get a little jumbled. When things get a little jumbled there. So there you go. Anyway, I do hope that this has helped you a little bit in terms of using Blogger for your class blog. If you have any questions, please contact me at edm613 at me.com, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.